declining, and the one with academic institutions is increasing. So is it a matter of industry not coming to the picture, or do they start strong and then they start to, somewhere along the line, they don't follow through on what they were doing together? So these are some of the things. I mean, this research was a baseline, but we want to go deeper and try and see these signals, whether they make sense and whether they are significant, and what do they mean in terms of leakages. Do we need to pour in more stimulus for the industry to for them to keep engaging with academia, or what? But in terms of other academic institutions, it's encouraging to see it's on the increase. So that's a positive trend, and that's something that should be encouraged. In the next graph, we have the frequency of the collaborative partnerships. So if you're interested in which sectors these partnerships are happening mostly, you can see from the left going to the right, the education and training is the first one. And that's the industry or the sector where most of these partnerships are occurring between industry and academia. So it's good to see that industry is coming in strongly to train, to develop the curriculum and things like this. But as you go down, information and communications, the second one, ICT, financial and insurance, the third one, agriculture, forestry. And it's interesting to try and see in terms of even the government agenda, where do we fit in? Are we forming linkages? Are we kind of trying to also join the development agenda of the country? So you can see agriculture is first in terms of how it fits into the Big Four agenda. You have agriculture, you have manufacturing, and health following each other. And unfortunately, construction is not doing so well. It's towards the end where there are very few partnerships between industry and academia. So these are some of the sectors where we need to put more attention on: construction, mining and quarry,